Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare Szechuan Paneer. Quick to prepare, yummy in taste and a mouth-watering restaurant style starter. So without wasting much of our time, let's start. For this you need fresh 200 grams of paneer which has been chopped into square pieces with medium thickness, and then take a medium sized tomato, de-seed it and cut into larger pieces. If you cut them into smaller pieces, it gets shrinked when you are frying it. Take a medium sized onion, de-layer it and then cut the layers into larger pieces of medium thickness. And then take a medium sized capsicum, cut them into larger pieces with medium thickness. And then you need 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney or Szechuan sauce. Now pour the paneer cubes into hot water and soak them for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the paneer to be softer even after frying. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon oil on low flame. Once the oil is hot, add the capsicum pieces to it. Now gently stir fry these capsicum pieces. Keep stirring until the capsicum pieces turn brown and become little crispier. Give it a nice stir. Now you can see the capsicum pieces have turned really nice brown color and have become crispier. Now you can take it out of the pan and keep it aside. In the same oil, add onion pieces and repeat the same process as we did for capsicum pieces. Keep stirring until the onion turns a little brown and becomes crispier. This will also take around 3 to 5 minutes. Now our onions are almost done. Take it aside. Now in the same remaining oil, add tomato pieces to it and give it a nice stir. We are adding tomatoes at the last as it has water content in it and it absorbs all the remaining oil and it gets cooked very fast. So once the tomatoes turn a little brown, you can take it out. You saw in just 1 tablespoon oil, we have stir fried all the vegetables to a nice crispier and brown color. Now drain off the soaked paneer. You can see the paneer is now drained well. Heat a non-stick tawa with half teaspoon oil or even lesser than that and just brush the tawa. You can use a non-stick tawa or a non-stick pan and then place the paneer cubes throughout the pan and heat them on a medium flame. These paneer cubes gets roasted for after 1 to 2 minutes and then flip it over to get roasted on the other side. And again on the other side, roast it for about 1 to 2 minutes and give it a nice stir. Now let's check if it is roasted on the other side as well. Yes, you can see a nice golden brown color. So our paneer cubes are nicely roasted on both the sides. So friends, you saw so quickly our paneer is roasted in just half teaspoon oil. And now keep it aside. Now transfer all the stirred vegetable and roasted paneer to a bowl. To this add 1 tablespoon Szechuan chutney or Szechuan sauce. You can add a little more as per your taste. Add salt as per taste. Add a little pepper to it. If you want it more spicier, you can add more pepper. Now give a gentle mix to this mixture. Gently mix so that the Szechuan chutney, salt and pepper is evenly spread across the vegetables and roasted paneer. Colorful, tasty Szechuan paneer is ready to be served. This is very easy to prepare, less oil, no corn flour, no frying, and can be prepared when you have more number of guests at home. The best part of this is this can be served even when it is not hot. So you can prepare it in advance and then serve to your guest this delicious dish. The best part of this is it doesn't get soggy. So try this out and surprise your taste buds with this delicious recipe. Thank you for watching. Check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.